Get power and speed in an ultra-compact size. With the 12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 3/8" hammer driver drill kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The tool's variable 2-speed design is ideal for a range of applications. With up to 250 inch-pounds of max torque for drilling, driving, and fastening, and switch to hammer drilling mode for masonry materials. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. For added convenience, the slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. MAKITA 12V Max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12V Max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.